In the heart of Detroit, where the city's modern skyline meets its historic past, stands a relic of the Gilded Age, the Colonel Frank J. Hecker House. This mansion is more than just a home. It's a testament to Detroit's industrial might, a symbol of architectural grandeur, and a rare survivor of a vanished era. Today, we take you on an extraordinary journey through time, revealing the story of this remarkable house and the visionary man who built it. Born on July 9, 1846, in Freedom, Michigan, Frank Joseph Hecker was a man of ambition and foresight. Hecker's journey to prominence began in the Civil War, where he enlisted in the Union Army at just 17 years old. He quickly rose through the ranks, demonstrating leadership that would define his entire career. After the war, Hecker's path led him to the booming railroad industry, where he worked with the Union Pacific Railway and forged connections that would shape Detroit's future. It was during this time that Hecker met Charles Lang Freer, a kindred spirit with a passion for art and business. Together, they co-founded the Peninsular Car Company in 1883, building luxury rail cars that defined the era. This partnership not only made Hecker a wealthy man, but also a key figure in Detroit's industrial growth. Their bond went beyond business. Freer even built his home behind Hecker's mansion, cementing their legacy as two of Detroit's most influential citizens. In 1889, Hecker commissioned architect Louis Camper to design a mansion that would reflect his success in European taste. Camper, who trained with the legendary firm McKim, Mead & White, was known for his opulent designs and attention to detail. He drew inspiration from the Château de Châteauesque in France, creating a stunning example of the Châteauesque style, a fitting homage to Detroit's French roots. Constructed between 1889 and 1892 at a cost of nearly $145,000, equivalent to about $3.5 million today, the Hecker House was a masterpiece of design. The exterior is made of Indiana limestone, with a steeply pitched hip roof, conical towers, and elaborate stone carvings. It was a statement of wealth, culture, and power, set against the rural backdrop of 19th century Detroit. Stepping inside the Hecker House is like stepping back in time. Guests are welcomed through an arched double door into a vestibule lined with Italian sienna marble. The main hall, with its coffered ceiling and white oak paneling, leads to the grand staircase, illuminated by a stunning 12-foot stained glass window. This was the heart of the home, a space designed for entertaining Detroit's elite. The dining room, with its oval shape and beaded plaster ceiling, features intricate Honduran mahogany woodwork and an Egyptian marble fireplace. The music room, designed for intimate recitals, showcases a parquet mahogany floor, an onyx fireplace, and plaster carvings of musical instruments, a nod to the cultural gatherings hosted by the Heckers. Frank Hecker and his wife, Anna Williamson, raised 5 children in this grand home. Frank Jr., Christian, Louise, and Anna, who married Charles Freer's brother, Watson Freer. The Hecker family was at the center of Detroit's high society, hosting lavish parties that included Detroit's most notable figures: Thomas Palmer, David Whitney, and even U.S. Presidents Rutherford B. Hayes and William McKinley. After Hecker's death in 1927, the mansion's role in the city began to change. From 1928 until 1947, it served as a boarding house for college students, operated by the Anderson family. In 1947, the Smiley Brothers Music Company took over the property, converting the carriage house into a recital hall and transforming the 3rd floor into a workshop for piano and organ repairs. By the early 1990s, the mansion had fallen into disrepair, its beauty hidden beneath decades of neglect. Thankfully, it was saved by the law firm Charfus and Christensen, who undertook an extensive restoration project. A team of 28 subcontractors worked for 10 months, restoring the intricate plasterwork, wood paneling, and period furnishings. In 1994, the project received the Historic Rehabilitation Excellence Award, marking a new chapter for the Hecker House. Today, the Hecker House is owned by Wayne State University and serves as the Tierney Alumni House, a hub for alumni events and gatherings. It stands as a preserved piece of Detroit's history, offering visitors a glimpse into the opulence of the Gilded Age and the legacy of a man who helped shape the city's industrial landscape. The Colonel Frank J. Hecker House is more than just a building. It's a piece of Detroit's soul. It's a place where history lives on, a monument to the city's past and a reminder of the beauty of preservation. For those who walk through its doors, the story of this mansion is a journey into the heart of Detroit's heritage.